If you're looking for real estate lead generation tools, today we are putting head-to-head two of the best in the category. We're having a look at DealMachine. We're also having a look at XLeads. We want to know what they offer and how they actually contend against each other. All right, let's have a look at DealMachine. So DealMachine is driving for dollars made simple. You can discover how DealMachine is revolutionizing the way real estate investors find off-market properties through its innovative mobile-first approach to driving for dollars. Let's have a look at a little bit more. Some of their core features include a mobile-first design, so it is purpose-built and it is for driving for dollars, lead generation with the intuitive interface which is optimized for on-the-go property scouting. It also has an instant property intelligence. So here you can snap a photo of any property to immediately access owner information, mailing address, and even property details. It also offers integrated marketing, so you can launch direct mail campaigns and automated follow-up sequences directly from your phone while still in the field. You can also see over here why investors are choosing DealMachine. So it has an efficient off-market sourcing. So its advanced GPS and mapping tools track your driving routes. This helps you cover more ground and avoid revisiting the same areas. You can save hours of manual research with instant property lookups and owner contact information. You also have direct owner communication. So to initiate contracts with property owners through the app via calls, text, and customized direct mail is super easy. You get professional templates and tracking tools also that can help you manage multiple outreach campaigns. And there are proven results. So it's trusted by top wholesalers nationwide who report finding deals faster with less administrative work. Analytics dashboards track your activity, response rates, and deal pipeline. This means that the app, the platform, the software is doing all of the work for you, eliminating all of the boring, mundane tasks that don't actually matter as much, where you can just shift it off to the software and it just automates everything for you. And you can concentrate more on more important things. Okay, we're jumping into XLeads now. So XLeads is harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to identify, prioritize, and pursue the most promising investment opportunities with unprecedented efficiency. XLeads is standing out now with its AI lead generation, unlimited research, and ninja mode CRM. Let's get into it. So proprietary algorithms analyze property data to identify likely motivated sellers before they actually list. This predictive scoring ranks leads by probability of conversion, helping you to focus on the highest potential opportunities. This also allows you to enter the market before that property is listed. You can also see that their unlimited research includes a higher tier plan, which includes unlimited skip tracing, removing the per lookup cost barrier that limits other platforms. And then also it has a built-in auto dialer with a call recording and analysis to maximize contact rates. The Ninja Mode CRM is an automated SMS sequence with smart timing based on prospect engagement patterns. This AI-powered follow-up suggestion is allowing you to adapt based on conversion context and also lead responses. The last thing over here that XLeads offers is how it actually excels for wholesalers. So XLeads combines 4 essential wholesaling functions in one subscription. This means that you're paying once, you're getting 4 products. So you have advanced lead generation with the AI-powered targeting, as we mentioned, the comprehensive skip tracing with no per lookup fees, also great, automated CRM with intelligent follow-up sequences, that's that Ninja CRM, and then deal disposition tools for buyer list management. It also has scaling efficiency, so it's designed specifically for solopreneurs, so you can focus more on increasing deal volume without any proportionally increasing workloads. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this was helpful. My takeaway is always to go and use the software and see if it actually works for you in a real life situation. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.